Hello and welcome to this video. This is Frederick Fester from Automation People Denmark, and in this video I will be talking about designing your ActiveCampaign dashboards and designing your dashboard for B2B sales reps. So this video is relevant for you if you are using the ActiveCampaign CRM functions and if you are managing your sales activities through ActiveCampaign. We've had this question from several people, so I decided to create a video about how you're designing your dashboard and what makes sense to include. So let's jump over to ActiveCampaign for designing our dashboard. So this is your ActiveCampaign dashboard. This is what it's gonna be. It's gonna look like once you've logged into your ActiveCampaign account. This will be your dashboard, your main front page of your account. And there's a lot of stuff going on here. We have the contacts, total number of contacts. We have contact trends, your growth in contacts, and so on. Which campaign you've recently sent. Your automations, you can see here we have a long list of automations. 2 of them are active at the moment. We have some templates, some top contacts, we got tasks, and in the end we have pipelines. So there's a lot of stuff going on here, and if you want to keep it simple, we can edit and remove these items, these widgets as it's called, as we please. And how you are going to remove this is simply by clicking the X here. Once you hover over the element, you just click delete. And if you click down here on the gray arrow here, you can see you can always find the widgets and make them appear again. And you can also drag and drop them according to how you want to design your dashboard. For a B2B sales rep, you want to keep this nice and simple. You want them to log in and you want them to be able to see their pipeline, easy to navigate to the pipeline and to their tasks. So I will remove templates, contacts, campaign, trends, automations, top contacts, and then I will pretty much just leave it with the pipeline and the tasks. I will not go over, in this video, I will not cover the pipelines, how you navigate in the pipeline functions and so on, and neither will I do the tasks, like how you manage your tasks. The most important thing here is that in pipelines, you will see the pipelines listed. The pipelines you have access to will be listed here, and you can easily navigate to them. So if I just press this and press this, my 2 test pipelines, you can see here we have some test deal. This is just me testing out things, creating videos and such. And you can see we have the other pipeline here. I have access to both of these pipelines, so they will be listed. And here you will have your task list. You can see which ones are upcoming, which ones are the most urgent. You can see here 17 days ago. So this would be the first task that I will need to take care of. I can also click view all my tasks here. And you'll have the whole list of tasks. As you can see here, these are all expired tasks. I use this account, as mentioned, for videos and such. So as you can see here, the design of my dashboard is the same as we've edited, and it's important for me to say that this is for a B2B sales rep using the CRM functions. As you can see here, we also have an e-commerce tab, and this will be obviously for business to consumer web shops, and so on. So this will not be covered. And that's it. So that's how you design your dashboard in ActiveCampaign. I hope you found this video valuable. I hope you can use it. I hope this will help your sales rep to get a more easy, simple dashboard. And if you like this video, please leave a like and leave a subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And also leave a comment telling me which struggles you have with active campaigns, and I might create a video on your topic in the future. This was Frederick from Automation People. Talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.